This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Zoki Malekwa. This 2,720 square feet GL Homes built Vizcaya has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, an office, and an open floor plan featuring a great room, kitchen, dinette, dining room and a powder room. Enter through the screened-in portico with its 48-door that affords wide access and leads to the bold French double front doors. Inside the expansive foyer, take note of the towering 14-15 tray ceiling with its dazzling 7 pendant chandelier that will fashionably welcome family and friends. 18x18 porcelain tile on the diagonal finished with large 5 1/4 baseboards grace the floors, and the walls meet the ceilings with custom crown molding. Right of the front door is the 3rd bedroom that features a walk-in closet, large windows with bespoke plantation shutters, a ceiling fan, and an ensuite bathroom highlighted by a walk-in shower with faux marble walls. Bedroom 2 has a beautiful ensuite bathroom, and a walk-in closet. The spacious primary bedroom is 19x16 with a 10-11 tray ceiling, and has a 3-wall bay window facing a natural cypress tree preserve. 2 generously sized walk-in closets with mirrored bifold doors flank the hallway leading to the ensuite. This ensuite features 2 separated vanities with quartz counters, a garden tub, a walk-in shower, a water closet for the commode, and a linen closet. An expansive great room anchors the Vizcaya's open floor plan. A grand 10-11 tray ceiling with an extraordinary 14-blade 72 Monte Carlo ceiling fan and 6 recessed lights crowns the expansive 26x20 great room that also has a 3-panel 12-wide sliding glass door leading to the backyard oasis. The gourmet chef's kitchen features a breakfast bar, a center island, a double-basin sink with a reverse-osmosis faucet, espresso-colored solid wood cabinetry with soft close drawers, lower cabinets with sliding shelves and pot drawers topped with quartz counters which in turn are accented by a stunning mosaic glass backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a counter-cooktop with externally vented range hood, and wall-mounted double ovens. The kitchen has plenty of space for the Sous-Chef and basks in natural light. Adjoining the kitchen is a casual dining area overlooking the backyard oasis that will be the perfect space to enjoy daily or intimate meals. It also has an 8-wide pantry with 4 levels of sliding shelves. A spacious formal dining room will comfortably host 10 persons. Windows in the common areas, the primary bedroom, and the 2nd bedroom are adorned with a motorized Hunter Douglas light filtering dual shades that have an additional 3rd blackout shade as well. Discreetly removed from the open floor plan is a powder room for visitors. The backyard oasis features 21x10 lanai, a 13x27 saltwater pool enclosed in a 34x25 screen room, which is further enclosed by an aluminum picket fence. This is a